Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. Today I'm going to be showing you around my casual family room, theater room, and playroom. This room is simply the room over the garage, the bonus space, and I'm going to show you what I did with mine just to give you some ideas or inspiration. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is change out these broken blinds. They don't work with the cord anymore, and I feel like I want to get rid of them because my grandkids are in here or not a lot, and for safety reasons, I don't want all those cords hanging down. It's really not good to have corded blinds around kids. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change those out. I'm going to get rid of those. So I'm going to show you how I use this as a theater room, playroom, and as a family room. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these blinds down and replace them with some Smartwings, smart technology shades. Okay, these shades are controlled by remote control. They block UV light. They keep the room a lot cooler. And I like the fact that when I use it as a theater room, it's going to block out more light than those blinds that I had in here before. They are super easy to install. As you can see, it only took me about 15 minutes to install the new blinds. Super easy, and they are beautiful. I have the Dove Gray, and I'm going to show you in a second what they look like up close. It's easy to make your order on smartwings.com. You basically just measure your window and input those measurements in the website. You pick what color blinds you want, or if you want to do shades, you can do either one. Click on the link in my description box to learn more about Smartwings because they have the top of the line technology in blinds. So I'm going to show you around the room right now and how we use it as a family room. Guys, if you have any questions about anything in the video, not just the shades, but anything else, the sofa is from Wayfair. I'll have a link below for that. All of the wall art, which are movie posters, they are all from walmart.com. The end tables are from Wayfair as well. The lamps are from Ross, and the curtains are from Home Goods. So guys, if you have a big wall like this that I have, like what I have, what I did was instead of buying a huge unit so that I could have some storage in this room, I bought 5 individual units from walmart.com, and I just pushed them all up together side by side to make it look like all one unit. And it has a tremendous amount of storage, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect for this TV wall because a lot of times if we're using this room as a family room, we are watching this TV. We watch the TV more than we watch the projector. And I'll show you the projector in a second because once I install these smart shades, which are easily controlled with a remote control, I can make this whole room dark in the middle of the day, and then I can pull down my projector screen and watch a movie in the middle of the day, and it's really, really nice, you guys. These baskets here, I have all my grandkids' toys in it, and so when they come in, they know exactly where to go. I put these ottomans by the window right now, but the ottomans can be placed over here by the couch to make them into make the couch more of a sectional. And so we do move those around quite a bit. I do like that. These lanterns here, I got those from Ross, and this is somewhat of a little bit of fall decor, but for the most part, this room stays the same. There's the coffee maker, the popcorn maker, and I do keep my printer in here as well because I don't have a home office in this house. I had it in the other house and I never really used it, so I just decided to not set one up this time. So here's the projector, guys, and I project right on that wall. That's the projector screen. It's 120 inches. Now that I have the smart shades, I can make this room dark, pull down the projector screen, And the projector screen is also controlled by a remote control, and we can watch a movie in here. When my grandkids come over, they look forward to coming up into this room and watching a movie, playing with some toys, maybe eating some snacks. I'm so happy that I set this room up the way that I did. And I'm glad that I got rid of those blinds because I want to keep them safe while they're over here. So I absolutely love this, guys. So if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, definitely let me know in the comments, guys. And if you like these kind of videos, definitely give me a thumbs up. Give me a big thumbs up and hit the like button. And I know that a lot of homes have the bonus room. So let me know what you're doing with your bonus room. Are you using it as a family room, a game room? Are you using it for a theater room, a bedroom? Let me know in the comments how you're using yours, guys. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know in the comments how you're using your theater room, and I will see you in the next one. And guys, don't forget to click on the link in my description box for Smartwings, and I will see you in the next one.